Few days back, Mufti Abdur Rahim, head of Jamiatul Rashid, participated in the 2 days national conference held by IPS and ICRC. In the last session of the conference, he addressed the audience while talking about the eradication of sectarianism and protection of the rights of the minorities. He said,
और ये जो हमारे यहाँ फिरकावारियत है,
if we want to solve the issues of sectarianism, terrorism, and the rights of the minorities, we have to bring our nation out of the environment of emotions, superficiality, and heeding the rumors. And we must start a series of serious dialogue.
से निकालकर हकीकत पे लेकर आए.
Mufti Abdur Rahim emphasized that in order to solve our problems, we need to talk constantly about three issues: rights of the state, importance of the treaties, human rights. While talking about the rights of the minorities, he mentioned an incident from the life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. On an occasion, Hazrat Abu Basra Ghifari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu came to the Prophet, peace be upon him, in Medina with his caravan. At that time, he had not embraced Islam. They had been through drought and they were hungry, so they asked for some food. The Prophet, peace be upon him, asked his companions that each of them take one person from the caravan as a guest. Since Abu Basra was a tall and a heavy man, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, took him to his house. He offered him goat milk. Abu Basra Ghifari was so hungry that he drank the milk of 7 goats, but due to the excessive intake of milk during the night, he had diarrhea. In the next morning, Prophet, peace be upon him, cleaned him and gave him his clothes. While talking about the importance of the treaties, Mufti Abdur Rahim narrated an incident of Huzaifat ibn al-Yaman and his father. Both of them were captured by the infidels in Makkah and were released on the condition that they would not participate in the battle of Badr. When they came to the Prophet and told him what had happened, the Prophet, peace be upon him, forbade them from taking part in the battle and asked them to go back to Medina. Even after they had clarified that they were forced to make that commitment, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that he would not violate the commitment even if it was made under such circumstances. Mufti Abdur Rahim said that Islam emphasizes human rights and our ulama must play their role in spreading the awareness in this regard.